Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off message requests on Instagram. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Instagram, click on your profile icon on the bottom right, then click on the three lines on the top right. Once you're on here, just scroll down until you see messages and story replies. So select that. Then you should see message controls at the top. So click on there. And this will give you a few options. So if you only want your followers on Instagram to send you message requests, what you need to do is select on others on Instagram and then just turn on don't receive requests. So that'll update on there. So you'll only receive message requests from followers on Instagram. If you don't want to receive any message requests, just select your followers on Instagram and select don't receive requests on there. You can also go to who can add you to groups on chats, and then you can select only people you follow on Instagram. So you can turn that on, and that's how you can turn off message requests on Instagram. Thanks for watching.